Okay, what is up, YouTube? I need to start posting more videos. I know. I just started a new job. It's pretty chill. I like it. Not stressful. Maybe I'll be able to start doing more videos. But because of this job, I'll be able to talk about more movies. Haha, if that might give you a hint. But anyway, so I got a box, a package. I know what I got, but I thought I'd show it off. It's from HamiltonBook.com. Really cool place on the interwebs for movies. They have really good deals. Yeah, I don't have my box knife, as you can tell. I hope I didn't cut too deep. But, yeah. I'm the crazy guy who likes to cut towards myself. So, yeah. That is a thing. And I know most YouTubers pre-cut, and I will learn one day. But I was just going to show off some of the goodies I got from Hamilton Books. Oh, Hamilton Book. I'm going in. You can see this box is pretty packed. Get rid of that. But yeah, it's pretty packed. I'm going to sit this on the ground and start showing them off. My room's a big mess because I'm in the process of that remodel that I'm doing. But let's start with this stack right here. Master on Blu-ray. Gravy on Blu-ray. I Am Bruce Lee on Blu-ray. Greed in the Sun Blu-ray. Fury of the Fist and the Golden Fleece Blu-ray. Wait, this movie just cracks me up. It's pretty cheesy. It's got Al Snow in it. Overtime Blu-ray. The Demolisher Blu-ray. Let me set these over here. I did get DVDs as well, so there's a few DVDs in here. Let me try to get this stack going. This is all the Blu-rays. Mother Krampus on Blu-ray. The Big Operator Blu-ray. Don't know what it is. It's got, it's got Mickey Rooney in it, and I really want to watch it. But, yeah. Bushido Man, 7 Deadly Battles Blu-ray. Gwen Blu-ray. SOS Tidal Wave Blu-ray. Yeah, it actually came with a slip. Went to Coney Island from a mission. Went to Coney Island on a mission from God. Be back by 5. This was actually a really good deal. Don't know why they sent this to me twice, but they did. Maybe I ordered it twice. I don't know. It's been a while since I've placed this order. I'll double check my invoice. But yeah, got 2 of them. Cool. Might be for a giveaway. Another... Wow. Nothing bad can happen. Fatherland. Camp. Season 1 and 2. The Body Tree. The Jurassic Dead. King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table. This is an Asylum film. And if you guys watch my YouTube, you know. I mean, Asylum, I will get those videos going eventually. Sunset Society. Child Eater. Beyblade Metal Fusion. I believe this is the whole series, not sure. Goof Troop Volume 2. Pebbles and Bam Bam Show. Tom and Jerry Spotlight Collection. Blackwoods The Langoliers, which is surprising. I actually don't own a good copy of this. Decent flick. Fight of the Living Dead. I was kind of scared for a minute. I thought it said Flight, and I'm like, I already own Flight. But no, that's Fight. Last Days of Billy the Kid. Van Helsing, Season 1. Death House. Okay, so from what I gathered with this movie, it's just like a horror Expendables kind of thing. I'm not sure, but I've heard people talk about it, and I'm kind of interested to watch it. So, grabbers, they are coming. So there's some boxes down here I'm trying to grab last. Okay. Mork and Mindy, Season 2. TV Terrors, The Initiation of Sarah, and Are You in the House Alone? And Citadel. Let's start with some of this box. Yu-Gi-Oh! 5D Season 1. Got this for a really good deal. Check out HamiltonBook.com. Like, they have some really great deals. Okay, these are some that I just thought were really good prices and fun. Let's go with Gumby, the 1980s series, Volume 1. Comes with a couple figures. This one comes with a figure too. Gumby, the Gumby Show, the complete 50s series. And it comes with a Gumby figure. The Adventures of Gumby, the 60s series, Volume 2, comes with a couple more figures. Yeah, it's like at HamiltonBook.com, they do have like random stuff sometimes, like these random series of Gumby, but for the price I paid for them, it's worth it getting them there, and then I can go try to find the other volumes elsewhere. But yeah, I suggest Hamilton Books for anyone who likes collecting film on physical media. It's a pretty cool cool website. I would just give them a check out. Go there. I'll put the link down in the description. It's Hamilton Books, HamiltonBook.com. I don't know why I keep saying books, but I do. And it does look like I ordered 2 at the Big Operator. Don't know why, but apparently I did. That kind of sucks. But I will put that in a giveaway. Yeah. I'm going to call it on this video. I will try to get this one uploaded ASAP. And I have some other videos planned. I am still working on the move for my room to the garage room. It's taking a minute, but I am working on that, and hopefully that'll be done soon. This room is a complete disaster right now because I'm just using it as a storage space a little bit, and I'm just kind of storing stuff in here too, so it's like I'm squeezing for space. But I gotta get this room done soon. It's for my new baby girl. Yeah, she was just born, so that was pretty cool. But yeah, other than that, I leave you with this. Discuss in the chat down below. Let's talk about movies and talk about what else you would like to see on my channel. And shoot, tell your friends about me. I would love to have more subscribers. So please like and subscribe and have an awesome day. And BTW World, I'm on 50 movies already. And today is January 26th, and that's what number I am at on 2022 movies. So at the end of this month, I will do a monthly breakdown of every film I watched. It'll probably be in a few parts because it looks like it's going to be a bigger number this month. But I think I'm going to do, instead of the weekly rundowns, I'm going to do monthly rundowns. Just seems like it's going to be easier, and I can maybe do those in parts and discuss the films a little bit longer and what I liked about them instead of doing the short rundowns and like blah, 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 blah. But yeah, keep it real. Have a nice day. Keep watching film. Keep physical media alive. Peace.